What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of all the content, the videos, everything you see. And yeah, let's just get straight into this one. So I've got the new season Nike Tech Fleece tracksuit. This is what, 2023, I'd say winter, etc. We'll just have a look at the joggers first. I should move the hoodie out of the way. So the joggers, on the label, slim fit, taper leg, regular length. That's stuff that we like. When you open it up, it's got one pocket on the side, which is zip with some like plastic / rubber on the outside. And then it's got that pocket, decent sized pocket, and then a little flap for like to secure your phone, just so it doesn't wobble around too much in your pocket. And then on the other side it's just that Nike logo, the Tech Fleece style, long drawstrings, which I really like. Drawstrings, whatever you want to call them, waist strings. Nothing special on the ends of the thing, of the string, but it does have like they are tied, so you can untie it if you want. I'm not really too fussed about them, to be honest. Then at the bottom we've got that cuff, good old cuff. Then moving on to the hoodie, I'll just move the joggers out of the way. We've got the hood. Straight away, as you can see, it's got two zip pockets. That's an amazing addition to them. It means you don't really have to carry a bag around if you're just going to a local shop, or if you just don't really want to carry a bag around, you want to just keep your stuff safe. Zip pockets on the hoodie, standard size. They have removed the plastic that was on here, so the same plastic that's on the pockets, it used to be here like a windbreaker style, that's gone. It's now just the stitching, which I honestly prefer. Then we've got that logo again, the Nike logo, and we've got the standard zip hood. The hood is a panel on the side, a panel in the middle, and a panel on the other side. And then at the bottom, the previous version didn't have this. It had it like this, so what the wrist bit is like. It also had it on the waist, but now the waist actually has kind of what a standard hoodie has at the bottom. It's not all the way around. They did have this like when they first made the Tech Fleece, so I do see that they're going back to that, which I really like. And then they've got, you know, the double zip. I'm not sure if anyone actually ever uses double zips. I know I don't really, unless I'm wearing like a long jacket or something and I don't want it to be wrapped around my legs. But the double zip is there just in case you want to use it. The material is thicker than the previous Tech Fleece. It does have more weight to it, so it probably will keep you a little bit warmer than the previous one. So that's why a lot of people calling this like the winter version. I just like it because of the, you know, it's a bit more premium, a bit more quality. At the price point for the hoodie, £120. For joggers, £100, which honestly is a ridiculous amount of money for just a Nike tracksuit. That's £220 straight away just for a Nike tracksuit. Like, if I'm honest, it shouldn't be that much. And you know, there's a lot of kids who want this stuff, and £220 in this day and age is just a bit too expensive. If it was around, you know, the hundreds mark, fair enough. Going over even 180, 190 for a tracksuit is too much. But yeah, inflation, what can I say, man? Normal tracksuits are going for way less. But yeah, I am going to compare this with the old season one, and I will be reviewing more Nike tracksuit colorways. This one's just a bit basic because it's just plain black. Just quick overview. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon so you see when new videos, the new comparisons, all that good stuff is out. And take care, my people.